Hi guys, it's Suzanne with Backyard University, here to talk to you about something we all hate: fleas. There is nothing worse than expecting to spend a relaxing day by the pool and then noticing your pooch scratching uncontrollably. Just the thought of knowing you have fleas makes your skin crawl and your money dwindle. Let's face it, flea bites itch, leave whelps, and ruin everything. They creep up when you least expect it, and you don't always know you're about to be infested until it's too late. As soon as you do, the fleas simply must be killed. But what should you use? Peppermint oil? Peppermint oil offers so many benefits. It's environmentally friendly and it smells wonderful. There are a few ways you can use peppermint to repel fleas. You can start with a homemade peppermint oil potion. Simply fill a spray bottle with water and add 10 to 20 drops of peppermint oil. Shake it and spray around the perimeter of the yard. If you're looking to kill adult fleas in the area as well as repel them, you can add a few drops of Dawn soap. The soap will kill the adults, but it won't take care of the eggs. So look at it as a temporary fix. Another way to use peppermint is to plant it. You will enjoy the beauty and fragrance, but the fleas won't. Other plants that will help repel fleas are rosemary, citronella, and lemongrass. By planting some or all of these plants, you will not only repel fleas, but other insects as well, such as wasps, mosquitoes, flies, aphids, and even caterpillars. And mice don't like the smell much either. But a few words of warning. Peppermint oil is toxic to pets, so don't use it directly on your cat or dog. Peppermint oil is a great repellent, but it does not actually kill the fleas. It simply makes them go to another yard, just delaying the inevitable. You need to kill the fleas. Since peppermint oil only repels fleas and other insects but won't take care of the existing infestation, you need something that will kill both the adult and the eggs. If left untreated, fleas can multiply at an alarming rate. One female flea can lay up to 50 eggs in a day and up to 2,000 eggs in its lifespan. So Backyard University urges you to plant your peppermint and spray your peppermint oil. But if you have an infestation, don't mess around. Use a product that will kill the adults and the eggs. There are many commercial options available, from calling a professional to using balms and sprays both inside and outside your house, preferably at the same time. Wondercide will kill both the adults and the eggs. If you choose to tackle the job of killing fleas on your own, remember, maintenance is key, and if you have an infestation, you'll most likely need to treat a few times to kill all the fleas and the adults and the eggs. If you're looking for more information, please click the link below. It will bring you to our article, How to Kill Backyard Fleas. We've also supplied the links to our mentioned products.